take it off? You gonna go out there and catch it? Nailed it.
What?
That'll keep you cool today.
I like this.
Oh, I've lost my hat a few times.
I didn't know if it was gonna pop up. Let's go. We already caught a hat, so
Yeah.
let's do a better one. There you go.
Lyle's got the skunk out of the bag. Or Ira.
Oh, we already caught our first
Yeah.
first item.
How big was it, Ira? 6 incher? 12 incher?
Cap. Whatever size he says, you just say cap.
Cap.
Get it? Because it's a lie, but also it was a cap. I'll take a minnow if there's someone on minnow patrol. That's pretty good. I might just move you a tiny bit, but otherwise you had that set perfect. There you go, bud. And I'd say we just fish in all directions until we start figuring out where they're at. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's a good one.
I have to tighten your drag. Oh, get it in the boat. That's a good one.
Peter.
That's a keeper.
That's a good one.
Heck
You want to
yeah.
take it off yourself? You want to try?
Heck yeah.
So it's in the upper pallet, so it's not.
We gotta get the live well ready. You know what to do for that? You want to put the plug in? Put the rubber part in the hole and then you just bend it over. There you go. And then you can put that button, push it up. There you go. Now let's start filling the water.
Might shake a little bit, but good job.
Oh, they're here.
Nice job, Evelyn. Yeah, we're good.
How many fish can you catch that?
I don't know.
A lot.
I think you should throw it that way if you can. Close to like where I got stuck. I think they're gonna be. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, it's set into it. There you go. Oh, that's a pole bender. Oh yeah, get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me. Just stay where you're at, right, bud?
I think that this might have been the one that I got. That's the motto. Once you get a fish, get her in the boat.
That's a good one, dude. Nice. You wanna hold him? Got him? Yeah, I'll open this. I got your pole. That's a slab. That's what I'm talking about. Right, there you go. You got one too? All right, Matt, we're not looking too good.
The kids are showing you up.
Make sure the kid got him.
Yep, that's all that matters, right? That's why we're here. I was just telling Ira, I was like, I think you gotta throw it over there, where I got stuck. And all of a sudden, this bobber just goes thunk.
Yeah. Tuck it.
That's like the story of my life. Hey, let's go over here.
Yeah.
There's a bite. Yeah.
Get a bite?
No, I'm just saying, like, as soon as I decide to move.
Oh, sure.
Oh, Maddie.
Quick release into the boat.
Hey, you got him in the boat.
Oh, and we got the whiff stick back there too. Right here? All right, I'll anchor here for a little bit. All right, well, prove it to me. There you go. That's a slab. Get him in there. Get him in there. Nice job, dude.
Keep it in the boat.
Yeah, we got him. Can you let a little slack out? You can. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that sucker. Hold him out. Stick him out towards the camera. Like, extend your arms. Hold it up like that. Yeah, there you go. Nice.
Putting on a clinic.
10.5. That's a nice crappie, dude.
Good one, Bean.
Oh yeah. There you go, Evelyn. Oh.
Taking out the drag.
Oh, nice.
Get him in.
Nice. There we go.
Good job, Evelyn.
See, you just gotta talk about leaving, just like I said.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see here.
And grab.
Yeah, like see how he held it, and then you hold it out to me so it looks even bigger. There you go, and then stick your hands out like this. There you go, right there. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah. All right. Look out. Nice job. You guys are crushing me out here. I'm getting dominated. Evelyn, Ira, and Lyle, I think you each have 2. Matt's got 1, but since he's been fishing with 2 poles, we'll count it as a half.
Bumping rubble down there now.
I'm pretty sure I had a bite at some point. They're just not feeling the jig. I need chartreuse. That's my problem. All right.
Just say just say, well, we're gonna leave now, and then take a few more.
That's right. That works for me. You know, 30% of the time, it works every time. If you're a crappie, could you say no to that? It's like toxic green color. Like it came from some nuclear facility.
You gonna nuke him?
Full of bioenergy. I know what you're saying, Ira. I feel like I should have one by now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's going all over the place. It's going crazy. Oh, it just jumped way out of the water. There we go.
Oh, that's a good one.
Boy, was that a fighter. It's hard to get a bite on these, but when they bite, boy, they go crazy.
Yeah. Sure they do.
Oh, yep, that'll eat. All right, I'm on the board. No more of this smack talk.
Slow play stuff.
Excuse me, Evelyn.
Ship's got him.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Sure always guess how it's done. Throw the anchor, we got 2 right there.
What in the world?
Oh, you got a baby bullhead.
What in the heck? I don't think I've ever seen him that small before.
That's. You gotta get a picture of that. You gotta get
And then Miles.
Daddy, what?
Miles pulling up.
What happened? Oh, there's a bug on your shirt. Where?
Boy, that was a slimy one, too. Holy moly.
Oh, I hit it.
That's the smallest bullhead I think I've ever caught.
Yeah.
Because when you're fishing 2 poles, it's almost harder.
That wasn't even close to Evelyn's jumbo yesterday. Evelyn's was one of the bigger bullheads I've seen pulled out of here. I think so. That was a big one.
Daddy, I caught a bass
How deep are we, Matt?
12.
Okay, Evelyn, I might have to change your depth. Oh, wait, hang on. Wait. I think you're getting a bite.
I think you were getting
Yep.
a bite.
Set it.
Set it. No?
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that's a good sunny.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that is a good sunfish.
Yeah. Look at that.
Good sunfish.
Ouch. Easy,
No wonder
fella.
he's near the sun.
There you go. We'll keep that one.
Really good sized sunfish.
Hit the ticker.
11.
That way, Evelyn. You like get us started.
We would have 12 fish, but that baby.
You can add it to the ticker, total fish. Give her a click. I'll take a minute or two.
I'll probably get the fish. Really fast. Watch this. I'm this far away. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Dad. What is he?
Ooh, fighter.
Fighter? Huh? Get a fish?
What you got going on there? Oh!
Whoa! Holy!
That is a huge smallie.
Fell right into the boat.
My God!
Oh my Jesus Christ.
That's a big one.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
That's my biggest bass I've ever caught.
Holy moly! How long is it?
20. 19 and a 3/4.
Call it a 20.
I call her a 20, yeah.
The biggest bass I've ever seen. That's the second bass you've ever seen. Dude, that Moses. I could tell it was something. It
Okay.
wasn't a crappie.
Well, I mean,
For a second, when it first jumped in the boat, I was like, is that a big walleye? Because that's just a
that thing's
long
huge.
fish, yeah.
Click.
Nice, dude. That's the biggest smallie I've ever seen caught here. Hey, Remy,
Hey, Ram!
you came just in time. They should start biting any minute. It was kind of slow to start, but like every fish we were catching was really nice.
Yeah.
So we probably have maybe 12. So then we went to the boathouse, and Evelyn caught a nice sunny right away.
Oh, really?
And that was the only bite we had for a little while.
Oh, did you?
So we just came back over here.
Did you have were you right on the structure too?
Yeah, we were anchored on it for like
What?
Okay.
at least half an hour.
Okay, there you go, buddy. Nothing. Gosh, that's usually.
And then we just got back over here, and he caught that big smallie.
Yeah, that's a nice smallie. Beautiful.
Jumped right in the boat.
Jumped in the boat.
Well, yeah, he was fighting, and all of a sudden it like flew up and over into the boat.
It went that way. And I'm like, I think something. I was thinking, oh, something took it, and then it flew right into the boat, and I was like,
You're
all right.
kidding me.
Yeah.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah. And at first I thought it was a walleye because it was really long.
Oh yeah.
But I was like, what is that? And I was like, that's just a long smallie.
You could just say fish are jumping in the boat.
No.
That's unreal.
Hey, buddy. You want this one?
Welcome to the boat.
Here you go, bud. Okay. Maddie Van Dam back here, crushing jumbos. Big old brownbacks.
Here you go, bud.
The haze.
Yeah, we got pictures taken.
We did.
Oh,
You got one?
dead stick. Whoa, that was a little baby walleye. Did you see that?
I saw it on the surface. About an 8-incher.
Yeah, a little 8-inch walleye. Nice cast, buddy. You know what you're doing. Well, they haven't been biting like crazy, but we've caught some really nice ones. See them in here, bud? Swimming around. Bunch of big, nice ones in there. Oh, here, bud. Here. Yeah, set that one down. There you go, buddy. Yeah. It's a good fighter. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we're getting her all tangled in my line, too. Look at that. Look at that fish, bud. Nice. Yep.
Hold it tight.
Got it. Pinch tight. And then hold it up. Like that. There you go.
And smile big, bud. Good job, Rum.
Nice. Then we'll put that here.
That's
Good
cute,
job,
bud.
buddy. Are we still at 12 feet?
Get one?
20 and a half? Ooh, get him in. There we go. All
That'll eat.
right.
How many minutes do we go back in the cabin?
3. 3 minutes. Oh, Matt. You want to go reel one in, bud?
You want this one, bud?
Go get it.
I lost it.
No, you got it. There you go, bud. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. It's as big as your head.
That's another eater.